Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage your email notifications on DocuSign. So you want to go to admin on the upper part of your screen, choose the admin option from those options there. And on the left hand side, scroll down and you will find under sign in and send in email preferences. The email preferences basically allow you to set up your own default email notifications for users, and of course this is basically for the signer and also for the sender, so depending on who, so you can easily modify those different options for email notifications. So as you scroll on here, you have a ton of different options, right? So you can select whatever you want and you can go basically check or uncheck any options that you wish, and then you can also do the same for the sender as well. Once you finish setting those settings, you can go ahead and you can click on save changes at the bottom right there. But that's it guys, this is how you manage your email notifications on DocuSign.